Restoration One is a team of property restoration experts and immediate responders who help homeowners after disaster strikes. So whether you're dealing with the aftermath of a broken sewer main, a house fire, flood, or any other kind of disaster, Restoration One is here to make sure your home is rebuilt and restored properly. Our repairmen and technicians are among the most trained and experienced in the industry, and our team is available 24/7 to respond to emergency damage immediately. So don't hesitate. Call us today for a free estimate.